Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 4 of this church. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in all the interior doors, and then we also finish up the men's washroom, women, and then the universal washroom. Now we're gonna continue working on this, and as you can see, our room tags are overpowering. So what you can do so that it will look dull and it won't be overpowering when you're looking at the drawing is to type in VG, so that's visibility graphics, and then once you type that, look for room tags. I believe it's under annotation, so let's see if it's under annotation. If not, we could just double check the model category. So here, room tag is right here, and then here you just need to click on the halftone. So check that, click apply, and as you can see, it will dull out. So here, let's double check. We need, so actually that one is the roof tag. It should be the room tag. Click apply, and there you go. At least now it's not overpowering. In terms of scaling, we could scale it up later on. Once we do that, it will become smaller. So it changes depending on the scale and the settings that you created. So now we're gonna continue adding furniture. So in sanctuary, for sure there's a we need to add in the floor as well, but at the same time we're going to add in the staging here. So now let's go insert again, load family, and let's go back to the main, and then let's look for furniture, and then here let's look at the seating. Here in seating, let's look for our bench. So here, as you can see, we don't have a seating that is similar to the church seating, which is just a wooden seat. What we can use for now is probably this sofa. It looks like the way the church's seating are. So here I'm just gonna click open, CM, and then let's add it around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out using annotation where the staging will be. So here I'm just going to have it around like 45 degrees from here, and then I'm gonna mirror that, and then connect them again. Select that, CS, and then connect. So this will be my stage. It will be with a stair, and then I'm going to add in the rows of chairs here, or benches. So I'm gonna grab it from here, and most of the time it looks like this one. So we're going to put rows of 2 for now. Maybe we could add the one here on the side as well. So I'm going to select that, CS, and then and change the orientation depending on this view right here. So I rather have it on the way this one rotates here, so that I could simply add it in the corner, 2 rows as well. So I'm going to align it right here, and then put this one, copy, and obviously I'm going to clean this up later on. So I'm gonna do this, 2 rows. I'm gonna keep on copying this. Let's see around 1500 if it's more than good enough for the spacing. $1,500 again, and then so on and so forth. I think that's good enough. And then we're going to do it on the other side as well. CS, just hover it here, depending on what the angle this one, it will copy it as well. So AL, and then nudge it in place. AL, I just want it to be exactly there, and then just pull it a little bit right here, and then copy CO and copy it right there. Just want to double check again. I'm just clicking that, moving it. So that's good. Select both of them and then copy it. And then again, 1500. So I think I doubled this one. This one's good. And then copy it. And then now, not sure what happened here, but I'm just going to move it for now. AL. And then just aligning them. It happened here as well, so it's basically we need to fix that and just clean it up later on. So here I like this, the way the spacing goes. I'm just going to pull it forward a little bit and then copy. Just simply like that. And then now copy both of them by holding on shift. So shift, and then once I create this rectangle, I take it off and then it will select it. I'm doing this, so holding on the shift and then creating this this big window. It's because so that I don't when I start doing that, it doesn't select the things that I don't want. So if I just do this, as you can see, you'll be able to select that. So at least you have the power of unselecting stuff as well here. So here I can just remove that and then I can select. Now I'll grab it from here and then do the 1500. So I'm just gonna move it all the way at the back like that, and then make sure multiple is checked. 1500. You can obviously use array here if you want to, but I'm just in the mood of adding it manually. I think this is good enough for this one. And then we could add benches again at the end. So CS, let's put this one right about here, and then just move this one. AL, and then here we could just move it right there. Oops, it's obviously not gonna work like that. So I'm just gonna put it like that, CO, and then so that we could just keep on adding it at the ends like this. Okay, around here probably, let's remove this, and doing it on the other side as well. Obviously the spacing is horrible here, but we could basically work on this, something like that, similar to the ones on the other side. And we need to extend this as a little bit as well. So here I'm just going to add this like so, and then copy CO, yeah, why not? Let's add this one. Obviously you can space it properly if you want to, but I just want to show you guys how I will do this. I think the best thing is to have this one squared so that we could extend this part. I think it will be much better. We can even have space here to walk, not only right here, but only on this but on this side as well. I think we could do this. We could have one. As you can see, we just need to remove one right here. We can still have more spacing here. So copy that, and it will look like that. As you can see, much better. We can maximize the area basically. And here, same thing we're gonna do. We're going to move it a little bit to have that spacing right there for people to walk to. And then we're going to add right here. So that looks much better. I like how it looks. What we can do is we can move this one a little bit onto this side. I like how the spacing goes, and I believe people will be able to move it around. And then here I noticed that I was careless enough that I changed this panel, so I'm just gonna change it back to interior wall. So that's not a big deal. I want to see the 3D again, and I want to pull this one up. That's correct, and everything else is below that, so that's good. Next thing that I want to focus on is the kitchenette and the cafeteria. I want to add in some stove, kitchen, sink, and those kind of stuff. So here, load family, go back. Let's go to plumbing first, architecture, fixture, and then here we have some sink, and then we have kitchen right here. Let's use this, open CM, and we're going to add right here something, and then we're going to load in some of our fridge. So go back, and then we have specialty equipment, and then domestic, and then here we could add in some of our fridge. So let's add this CM. I usually don't like that tag, so here I'm gonna select that, click on edit, and then uncheck show label AL. So we're going to add in storages here, and then some of those as well, some top, and then here in this kitchen, sorry, so I'm just gonna don't save it because I mistakenly click on edit, and then I'm going to add in this double oven CM. I want it to be beside this, and then select that, click edit type, and then uncheck show label. And then here, so in terms of how I'm gonna show the kitchen, the most thing that I want to focus is the design of the building. So I'm just gonna use annotate to design or to showcase the countertop, because it's not something that we need to focus on, and then more on the design of the building. So here I'm just gonna showcase this, and then we're going to add in more of the countertop. We need to showcase that we have a kitchen, and this is a fast way of adding those information. So we have an island, and then at least they could set up everything here. They could do their thing, and also in this cafeteria as well. So CS, I'm just going to add this and then we could have another fridge here, another oven, microwave combo, and it's just a fast way of adding those. And then here, select that, CS. We could select the rectangle, and then this will be the look, just a linear. So at least just those information that you can add in order to make it through. And then here we could just add storages right here by showcasing that. And then here, storage, we have something good here, so just load. We have, I believe, in our furniture. So just go to furniture, storage, and then we have shelvings here. So this is something that we could just instantly add it right here. So it's very important to have storages. So this is something that we could add instantly. As you know, there's a lot of charity going on in churches. They need all the stuff to store it, especially chairs, multiple chairs, tables, and all those kind of stuff. So here I'm just gonna showcase this. I'm gonna delete one of this and then move it here so that they could walk around here, and then select copy that. And then we have some storages right here as well. So that's something that they could do. You can basically add more if you wanted to. Okay. And then maybe here, instead of a single door, we could add in double door. So at least we have something that we could add here. And then we're gonna continue working on this on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.